How to find default app settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find default app settings on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll down until you find here apps, and you will find the default apps. Click on it and here you can manage default apps on Android phone. You can find here a browser or home app, phone app, and SMS app, and you can even find more defaults like camera or gallery, and that's it. It's easy, and that's how to find default apps on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.